Hey guys, what's up? It's Bria, whatever. Welcome. So today, as you can tell, I'm going to be doing this makeup look, this eye look specifically, with the Anastasia Sultry palette. And I picked this up a couple days ago because it was on sale for like $25 or $27, I believe. So I was like, why not? I've been wanting to buy a new Anastasia palette anyways because I only own the Modern Renaissance and I love that palette. And I really do love the formula on Anastasia shadows, so I decided to pick it up. And it is very different for me because it is a cooler tone palette, as you can see. But I just decided to play around with it today. Today was my first day using it. I kind of just winged this look. Literally. I'm not funny. I'm sorry. So if you want to see how I did this eye look and you kind of want to see a tutorial, make sure to keep on watching. I already did my brows like always using my Anastasia dip brow. If you guys want to see like a in-depth video on how I do my brows, just let me know. I'm more than happy to do that for you guys. I did already prime my eyelids and I set it already, and I applied some tape. Let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm just going to start off by adding a transition color. I'm going to go in with the shade Birch, and it is this one right here. Oh, by the way, I used a Wet n Wild like blending brush, crease brush. I don't know what they're called, but next I think I'm going to go into the shade Bloom, and it's like this pinky orange kind of color, and I'm gonna take that on my Morphe M433. So I'm gonna kind of I'm just gonna put it in the crease, honestly. Whoa, okay, that's really pigmented. Dystopian, I don't know, I can't speak. But it's just this dark brown right here, and I'm gonna grab like this dome brush. This is a Real Techniques 201 brush from, I think, the Metals collection, and I'm just gonna kind of put that on the outer V of my eye and kind of do a little wing with the brown, like just bring it along the tape. Then I'm going to go back into my Morphe brush and then the pink shade, and then I'm just going to kind of blend everything out. I'm going to quickly cut my crease with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is in the shade Dark 30, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and I cut my crease. I just used a angled brush to do that. I think I want to go into this shimmer called Rose Quartz, and it's just a really nice rose gold kind of shimmer. I spritz my brush and I'm gonna go ahead and repack that. I'm gonna go back in with a dome brush and that deep brown shade, and then I'm gonna pack that just to blend these two shades together. I'm gonna grab like a little small detail brush and I'm gonna go in with that brown shade. I'm just kind of basically outlining my crease a little bit. If I like this eye look. I love the shimmer, but I think I messed up doing that brown. See how it looks. It's nice. So this is kind of what we have going on right now. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I did the other eye off camera and then I went ahead and applied some falsies. I don't remember what falsies they are because I threw away the packaging, of course. So I'm gonna prime. I'm gonna go ahead and just use my Benefit Professional. for foundation, today I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I'm in the shade Desert Beige, and I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty blender. For concealer, I'm going to use my ColourPop No Filter concealer. Then I'm going to set my entire face and my under eyes as well with my Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I'm in the shade Light Medium. I'm going to bronze with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. So for blush, I'm going to go in with my Laura Geller Baked in Balance brush. Baked in Balance. Oh my god, I can't speak. What's new? And this is in the shade Apricot Berry. So I'm going to go in with the dark brown shade, and I'm taking this flat brush. This is the Morphe M432 brush. I'm going to put this as close as I can to my lower lashes. Next, I'm going to go in with the Birch shade, and I'm just going to kind of buff that out a little bit so it won't be too harsh. Are you kidding me? Sorry. I want to apply some eyeliner on my lower lash line because it's looking a little bare. So I'm going to go in with my Laura Geller Longwear eyeliner, and this is in the shade Gilded Bronze. I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara. I'm going to go in with my Buxom mascara. I'm going to highlight really quick with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. And this one is in the shade Precious Petals. It's a really pretty rose gold shade. To highlight, I'm going to use my Morphe Y14 brush. Ooh, yes. So to highlight my inner corners, I'm going to use this shade called Pearl. Oh, yes. Yes, sis. I think I just want to do a gloss today just to keep it a little simple. And I'm going to go ahead and use my Buxom White Russian lip gloss. So that is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to hit the bell down below so you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.